We are at the nature preserve. Hey, Tug. What kind of monkeys are these? You know what I can do? Take a picture of them. Okay. Do not sit on tortoises. Right. The fact that they put that right there makes me think that somebody was sitting on these tortoises. And here we go. What? Oh. Oh, giraffe? Oh. Go ahead.
No warning, no nothing.
No warning, no nothing, no caution signs. Literally, they can just be in the water and you don't even know. They can be friendly. You see that bird?
Yes, I do see the bird.
Really, like, these crocodiles can be in the water, but these are like friendly crocodiles.
What the fuck is a friendly crocodile?
A crocodile. I'm just testing my luck. Huh?
Alright, now don't get too close.
I'm not Tuz.
Go back.
What?
Just looking to see what I see.
Oh, you saw something. All right. Throw some in the water. Are you serious?
I was thinking about doing it anyways. When you said it, I was like, yeah, okay.
I got nervous.
I'm okay.
Let's go back.
I don't need to see the crocodile.
We don't. I better see some snakes too. I want some anacondas. Oh, they recording. You see anything?
I'm sure.
He recording something. Look, he recording something. He also good at camouflaging too.
Yeah, that's why I'm like
I
looking.
don't see nothing moving.
Oh,
What? Is it in there?
yes. You don't see that? That big snake?
Oh, Jesus. See what I'm talking about? That camouflage?
Yeah, he would have got you.
I can't tell if he's asleep or not. Again, look at the nature. Look at the habitats. Yo, baby, calm down. Cause you, this is solid rocks, stone.
Except if I fall, I'm screwed.
Yeah, you already got bad knees.
Alright. Look at the turtle. Oh.
Alright.
Why would he be over there with the snake? I don't understand.
Cause they can't bite them shells.
Yes. Oh, look at the. Oh, there's so many. Hi, turtle. Where's the other one?
Please don't drop your phone.
Oops. Oh, there's so many.
What was he recording over here? Oh, dragonfly. He was recording something. Oh! Come here. I see you, Blair. I see you.
I'm short. Oh.
Iguana? Is that an iguana?
I don't know. Read.
Baby.
Hmm?
No, I don't got time for it.
Maybe it's a Komodo dragon.
It's not. I read it. This is a... None of that.
A Nile monitor lizard.
Yeah, I would have never guessed that.
Yeah, me neither.
That thing is awake and alive. I think it's awake. Big body.
Yeah.
That is an African.
Rock python.
Jeez.
I think it hides in the rocks. That's why it's
Oh,
called
okay,
rock
all
python.
right. Pure evil.
Why would you say that?
No, I mean, well, I'm just saying.
Why?
Because. No. This is.
A Ashe's giant
Oh,
spitting,
shit.
spitting cobra. Najee Ashe. Spitting cobra. Yeah, he would fuck you up.
No.
Sorry. He would have messed you up. Bad.
All right.
What's drip? What? It's smelling. Oh. By drip? Another one. What'd you say? One in the middle. No, you said one in the middle. It's a cluck adder. It's Africa's largest viper. Oh boy. These need to be outside. I wonder if they're dangerous. They hide the viper. Higher. Forest cobra. Right on your left. Oh no, I thought. Where is it? Yeah, his head's sticking out. Where? Out of the box. Oh, I see it. Up top. Up top? A black mamba. Oh yeah, it's not black though. You see it? No. Maybe. Oh, I can't see the tree. I see it. It's kind of like, I can't. Oh, there you go. I got it. The glass. An Egyptian cobra. The reflection is not doing any justice. I don't see it. You still not locked? Mm-hmm. I see it. Oh, this is an African. Okay. Wow, so many different things. Ooh, a red one. A red spitting cobra. They can see the whole camera, the whole reflection. Alright. I don't see the red. The red? Yeah, there it is. Stay right where I'm standing. See it? No. But maybe they see it on camera because I don't see it. Here you go, one. Oh, come here. Right there. It was just like going up the wall. Another one. They must have rescued a lot of rock. Is that it? No, that's a rock, right? That's what, yeah. The hell are you looking at? Boa constrictor. Yeah. Where is it? Right there. Oh. I didn't mess you up. How you know that? I watch a lot of Diego at the time. Okay. Okay, alright. You think they want to get out? Maybe. Alright. Probably. That one's sitting, see it? Oh, yeah, I see it. She just saw it sitting like that. Would they spit venom? Probably. That's the name. Or the word. They could just spit. No. Don't play with me. Okay. Oh, a common house snake. They're not dangerous at all. Common house snake would be nothing compared to these wild snakes. Oof. Black neck sitting cobra. You see it? Yeah. It's kind of hard to see it on the camera. Yeah. Hissing sand snake. On the tree. Oh, they went in so well. And it's so still. You're hot. Okay. Yes, I'm hot. No, I'm okay.
Oh, there you go. Wow, wow. Hey. Ooh, that thing eyeing me down.
Oh. Hi, little buddy. Oh. Nah.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I wish you would. Baby, glad this glass ain't. If the glass wasn't here, I'd mess you up. Oh, all right. Oh, all right. Say something. Say something. Say something. If this glass wasn't here, best believe that's your life.
See how fast he walked away?
He's still looking at me.
All right, you gonna send the cousins, and I'm gonna let them get you.
All right. Little baby crocs.
You see him?
No.
You see him?
No. I'm glad we came over here.
Me too.
These are my cousins. Oh, baby, come on.
I didn't see it.
You gotta step and walk. Your big toe okay? They can't like jump, right? The mother cluckers, man. Oh my God. This one looking right at me.
That one just holding his mouth open.
Which one? Oh.
Oh, that hurt.
Why are you looking at me like that? Oh my God. It's like he giving me the death stare. Why are they so still? Are they trying to like act like... Why are they... We can see you. Like what? We can see you. What are you talking about? Oh, there's one in the water. You see the...
Oh my God. They could be asleep.
They could be.
Their eyes open.
They do.
Hi. Good, how are you?
Are you asleep? Bro, what's up, bro? I don't think none of these... No, that could be sleep. But I don't know.
This one is sitting with his mouth open. I don't know.
He just got hepatitis. Everything flying in his mouth, getting in his mouth. He got AIDS, herpes.
Baby.
Close that mouth. Before you know.
They could be trying to stay cool.
Man. No, this is crazy. These are my people. Gator, I'm with y'all, but I'm not going in there though. Got it.
Yeah. It's gonna be a no for me.
Throw something at it.
No.
It may be just our luck. This one got hops. Michael Jordan looking.
Did you see a sign that says "Don't throw things at the crocodile"?
You want to throw something at it?
Yeah, I do. I want to see if it's reflexes.
I'm okay. I'm okay. The mother clucker start jumping, it's over. Why is it called a game?
I don't know. I forgot. I used to know.
All right. Hippos. I wish you saw her reaction. It's so still, just like the crocodiles.
Yeah, they sleep.
Wake them up. Throw something on.
No, what?
Her.
They could come over here and fuck you up. I'm sorry.
They could, but it's electric.
They could reach across.
Fart or something. Burp.
They're not here for your amusement.
Her. Can we walk in? No, like, oh. Looks like it's the pathway. Oh, okay, yes, we can walk in. It says exit only. Oh.
I know, baby. I do read sometimes.
Hey. So pretty. I'm recording. This is the closest I've ever been to a butterfly. Butterflies. All right. They're loud as hell. That just made me mad. Okay. Hey.
Your favorite butterfly?
It was just us in here. It was quiet. Then a whole bunch of other people just made it. They loud. You hear that? Or is that the nature? Is that the tourist guide? Oh my God. You got all these openings so far, right? You got all these openings, and then you come over here, and it says no visitors is beyond this point, is allowed beyond this point. Now I won't go over there. So,
Let's go.
baby.
I'm not going with you. Come on.
Now I'm kidding. Alright. Baby. Oh.
It's two of them.
What?
The little worms, I think they're mating. Let's leave them alone.
Yeah, they're mating. Are these? Watch your step. Watch your step.
Take my picture.
No. How do they mate?